Hello everyone. Today we will see how to install an APK file on any single or a specific device, especially when multiple devices are connected via ADB. Now we will show how to install this APK file on a specific device. So open cmd. We usually use this command when a device is connected. Just simply drag and drop and press enter. But in that case, I am getting a warning that more than one device or emulator. So let's see how many devices are connected to this ADB. Just simply execute this command and it will show how many devices are connected. And as you can see, there are two devices connected to the ADB. I will try to install the APK on the first device. So let's try this command. Type ADB flag is and the device, then type install and drag the APK file and press enter. As you can see that the installation has started. Now even if you have multiple devices connected, you can install any type of apps on any specific device using this method. Sometimes the ADB doesn't work properly, then you can use these two commands to restart ADB server. A video guide on how to officially install ADB has already been uploaded to my channel. You can check it out. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.